$70,000. But yet here, you can go, you can ride in one of these. That makes out fun. And by the way, we're hitting speeds here in excess of 150 miles per hour. And there goes the Shelby GT500. You're looking at almost $1 million worth of automobiles here, ladies and gentlemen. They may not be cheap, but they sure are fun. Come on, Patrick, hit the afterburner on that baby. I mean, we're talking real money here, ladies and gentlemen. They bet a quarter. It's all about the bragging rights, you know. My car's faster than your plane. Across here at about 300 miles an hour, a lot faster than the